All right, so today I'm going to show you how you can clean up the projects in your Asana instance. So if you're like me, you've created lots of projects. Sometimes those projects are well used. You get to the end of them, but they just kind of stick around, even though there's nothing more that you need to do in them. Or perhaps you've created a project and then you decide to create it a different way or go a different direction with it, and it just sits and it clutters up your left sidebar here. Your list of projects is long and you need to do something about that. So here's one way you can easily take care of that. So the first thing I'm going to have you do here is go to your search bar. And if you have a paid version, you can use this advanced search. Go ahead and type in your name here. I'm using my demo account here. And then go down to the filters. When you go see the filters, go to dates, creation date, and then I'm going to filter down to any projects that were created within the last 12 months, let's say. And then I'm going to hit search. When you do that, you're going to see the first thing that comes up is the tasks. It's on this tasks tab. What we're really looking for are projects that we've created within the last 12 months. We're just cleaning up our projects here. So I am going to click on that projects tab. It's going to show me a list of projects that have been created in the last 12 months where I am the owner. So I can quickly scan these and see that some of them need to stay put. This one-on-one project needs to stay put. These projects are active projects that I'm either working on or they're ongoing projects that don't have an end date. So let's get down to this one. It's called Tress's Project. It is one that we are finished with. We don't need to use anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open it. Then I'm going to hit the down arrow and I'm going to not push delete. I'm going to hit archive. It was archived, so it's no longer going to show up in my projects list there. I can go through and do that with multiple projects. You can see here now it's at the top here because I've opened it, but it is listed as archived. And let's do one more. Here's another one that's a master project that went along with that other one. I no longer need it, so I'm going to archive it. So here's the big question. You don't want to delete it because that project has information in it that you may need at a later date. So what happens when you want to restore a project that's been archived, or maybe you just need to go back and reference that? How do you know how to find it? So what you need to do there is you need to go into the team that that project was sitting in. This one was sitting in the demo team. And when you open that, you're going to see the list of projects in that team. You want to find the archive project. So you're going to go to filter and you can hit archive projects, and those two projects are there. From that point, you can open one up. You can actually open up tasks inside that project and do things inside the project. If you need to fully restore it so that it shows back up in your projects list on the sidebar, you can hit that restore button. So that's one way to clean up your projects list.